Clearing your search history on Expedia can help you start fresh with your travel planning. Follow these simple steps to remove your previous searches. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you can still clear your search history by using the browser settings. Step 2. Access your account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find search history. In your account settings, locate the section labeled Search History or Recent Searches. This section will display all your previous searches on the platform. Step 4. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. This may be a button or a link that says Clear History or Delete All. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Log out and refresh. After clearing your search history, log out of your account. Refresh the page or reopen the site to ensure that your search history has been successfully cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Expedia, allowing for a more personalized travel experience.